Hello children, welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to start our new lesson, time. First of all, we will see the learning objectives of this lesson. First, students will be able to recall the name of the days of the week and write independently. Second, students will be able to recognize the name and the number of months in a year. Third, students will be able to know about leap year. First of all, today we will see the days of the week. Children, see, look at the calendar and name the days that comes. Children, see the calendar, the name of the days. Okay? The name of the days of the week. Children, there are 7 days in a week. Okay? First day is the Monday. Monday, Monday. Second day is Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. Third day is Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. Children, the correct pronunciation of this Wednesday is Wednesday, okay, because D is here silent. Then, the fourth day of the week is Thursday, Thursday, Thursday. The fifth day of the week is Friday, Friday, Friday. And the sixth day of the week is Saturday, Saturday, Saturday. Then Sunday, last day. And the seventh day of the week is Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. Okay, children? These are the 7 days of the week. Okay, you can put here the mark like first day of the week is Monday. Second day is Tuesday. Third day is Wednesday. The fourth day is Thursday. Fifth day is Friday. Sixth day is Saturday. And the seventh day is Sunday. Okay? These are the days of the week. Children, keep in your mind, whenever you are writing the days of the week, write first letter capital because these are the proper noun. Children, again and again, learn the spelling of the days of the week. Now, let's see the question after Monday. Where is Monday? Here is the Monday. After Monday, which day will come? Tuesday. Then after Tuesday, here is the Tuesday. After Tuesday, what is there? Here, Wednesday. Then before Friday, here is the Friday. Before Friday, there is Thursday. Then before Sunday, last day of the week is Sunday. Before Sunday, there is Saturday. Write down here, Saturday. Between Sunday and Tuesday, here is the Sunday and here is the Tuesday. Between Sunday and Tuesday, which days are there? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Here you write down days. If here place is small, then you can write the number of the days also, like 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 days are there in between Sunday and Tuesday. Okay. Then between Thursday and Saturday. Between Thursday, here is the Thursday, here is the Saturday. Between Thursday and Saturday, which day is there? Yes, Friday. Okay. Now next question, how many days are there in a week? Yes, just now I have told you there are 7 days in a week. Okay, write down here 7 days in a week. The first day of the week is Monday and the last day of the week is Sunday. Okay. Now next question, which day of the week do you like the most and why? Yes, I will tell you my answer here. You can write by your own also. Okay. You can write your own answer also. So, children, I like the most Sunday because I think Sunday is a fun day because Sunday there is a holiday and my family eats together, play together and go for outing on Sunday. That's why Sunday is a fun day for me. Okay, I will tell you one poem on that days of the week. One day, Monday, went to Tuesday to see Wednesday, and asked Thursday to tell Friday, and also Saturday, and that to tell that Sunday is a fun day. Okay? Now children, here are the some new words for you in your vocabulary regarding the days. Okay? Yesterday. Children, yesterday. Yesterday means one day before. Okay? On the day before today. Okay? For example, today is Saturday, then yesterday is Friday. One day before. Yesterday means one day before. Now next. Tomorrow. Tomorrow means children on the day after today. Okay? Tomorrow means on the day after today. For example, today is Tuesday, then tomorrow will be the Wednesday. Okay? Tomorrow will be the Wednesday, means one day after. Okay? Now, a week back. A week back means children 7 consecutive days, means 7 continuous days before. Okay? That is a week back. Then a month ago means 1 month before. And weekend. Weekend means the last days of the week, the end of the week. Children, generally we tell Saturday and Sunday is a weekend, end of the week. Okay, children? Now children, let's see the months of the year. There are 12 months in a year. Children, let's see the first month of the year is January, spelling January, January. The second month of the year is February, February, February. And the third month of the year is March, March, March. And the fourth month of the year is April, April, April. And the fifth month of the year is May, May, May. Sixth month of the year is June, June, June. Seventh month of the year is July, July, July. Eighth month of the year is August, August, August. Ninth month of the year is September, September, September. 10th month of the year is October, October, October. And 11th month of the year is November, November, November. And 12th month and the last month of the year is December, December, December. Children, February is the exceptional. Here there are 28 days generally in February, but in leap year there are 29 days. Okay, that's why in total year there is 365 days, but wherever leap year is there is 366 days in a year. See children, here is the knuckle method is given. By this method you can count the days of the month, which month having 31 days and which month have 30 days. Okay, in tomorrow's video I will show this activity and then I will start the video. Okay, hope children, please children, learn again and again spelling of the months of the year and days of the week. Write again and again and do the practice of spelling of the months of the year. And please keep in your mind first month, second month, third month, the serial number of the months also. It will help you to write the date. Okay children, hope you all have understood the concept of months of the year and the weeks of the day. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.